Okay, so if you wish to change your key cylinder between the key cylinder here, so you have to take on your front handle, then screw up all the screw here. You can see, let's screw up, open it up first, open the screw first. Okay, after that, when you open, then you can straight open the door and then drag your wire throughout the hole, and then as you can see, the key cylinder is here. So if you want to exchange, you have to open it up. There's 3 more screws here. There's 3 screws here. Open it up as well. Okay. So you open it up, then you can straight away take out your cylinder. Then you can do a change if you want. But after that, after you have to ensure, because as you can see, there's moving. If you turn your square bar slot here, you will keep moving it here. So once you need to ensure that the screw, you turn it around, turn, then turn until this direction, in this degree, then only you can place in your cylinder again. Then you try to turn your cylinder. You have to ensure the angle should be 180 degree. There's a red arrow here. You will turn like this. But you can see you can turn until this, so you have to turn a little bit more to adjust it correctly. Turn a little bit more, then you put it again. Then after you turn your square bar slot, you will look like this. The arrow should be always take on top one, take on this angle only, turn to this angle only. Okay, after that, after you adjust, this is the correct one, then you just screw back the cylinder. And the middle one as well. But try not to screw too tight, just screw tight enough. Screw until it lock, then should be okay already. After that, then the next one you just screw back all the screw back, then you pull the wire out and just put back. Yeah, just adjust the slot. Then you just screw back all the screws, should be enough already. Then you can use your key to open the lock.